Thought this was kind of interesting, so I figured I'd make a video on it. Found these paint stir sticks at Home Depot for $1 for a pack of 3. One of these drawers that I have does not have a slide on the bottom. It must have broken off. So I'm making my own slide with the stir sticks. Just going to cut 2 for both sides, and then 1 stir stick down here. Just coincidentally, it's the right size. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Oh god. Oh, forgot the one I cut already. Ooh, don't slip. Here you are. Wait. Oh, there we go. Welcome back. Should have wore a mask. This is how I lined them up to cut. See where the original cut is? Now that one would be perfect. Conveniently, the leftover cuts are perfect for stirring quart-size paint. So that will be nice to have. And let's check these. They fit perfectly. That's good. Only issue is that I'm off by a little bit. So if I add a third, it fits perfectly. But I don't know if I have enough. We'll see. To glue these pieces together with tight bond. Only problem is the glue is stuck. But thankfully, there's a secret. The material they use is flexible, so you can crack the glue and take it out. The only issue I have is that I use too much glue. They say a little dab will do ya. Well, what about a gallon? What will a gallon do for you? Not only am I going to use this oozing toxic chemical glue, I'm going to use some screws. Where's the size for you? This size seems to be good for just about everything. You'll notice that it's going to make it through both these pieces and then into the wood, right where I need it. Perfect. And also not break through this thin layer. I do need to be careful because I'm not gluing onto this one, I'm just using this as a reference. Next I'm going to measure it and make sure these dry. As they're drying, I'm going to screw them into the drawer that's messed up. Conveniently, these are measuring sticks. That makes life that much easier. What? I didn't pre-drill with a drill bit, so I accidentally did this when I tried to put this in, which is good though because it made me realize I should put 2 screws in instead. But look at this awesome split. It goes all the way down. No, it doesn't. It just stops right there, but you know, it's pretty dramatic anyhow, right? Nothing handy dandy glue can't fix. Here's the top drawer. This one was fine. This is the second drawer that was messed up. Still wobbles a little bit, but it's better. Screws are sticking out just a tiny bit, so I'm going to back them off a little. And here's how it looks after it's been done. Had a few mistakes, but that's okay. I got past them. Just going to loosen these up a tad, then throw some glue underneath both sides to make sure they're nice and strong, and that will just have to do. Thankfully this is selling to somebody I consider a friend now, so I think they'll understand why I did it this way. I couldn't find any wood that would work like this, and there were no slides available, so this is what I did.